Uh, Hello students. We are in this lecture we are study the next family Rubiaceae. The systematic positions. The systematic positions of this family is it belongs to class Dicotyledon, series Gamopetalae. Gamopetalae means the petals are fused. Then order is the Inferi. The order is the includes, or these families are included in the positions of ovary. Means these family members, the position of ovary is the inferior. Means the epigynous, means the ovary are the inside the thalamus cup, or ovary are the ovary is the below, and calyx and corolla are the above the ovary. Then family is the rubiales. Then distributions. These families are including 4800 to 5500 species. This family Rubiaceae belongs to order Rubiales and subclass of Gamopetalae in the dicot divisions. Then this family is also called as the coffee family. It is a large and mainly distributed in tropical areas. It contains about total 611 genera and more than 13,150 species, and these are the found in worldwide in most habitat. The main distinguished characters of this family are they are the stipules as well as the inferior ovaries. This type of members, they are stipules. Stipules are present, and the positions of ovary is the inferior. Then the pollinations of Rubiaceae flower is almost always by animals, include insect, birds, bats. Then there are including some common plant like Coffea arabica, means a coffee plant. Then Cinchona officinalis is used by the quinine productions. Then Ixora chinensis is the wedgie. Its common names. Aldenaldia umbellate is the common name is the it's called as the chaya root. Then Morinda augustifolia. Or these snapshot, or these are the some example of these family members. Then there are general morphological characters. There are vegetative characters. The habitat, they are mostly terrestrial, and sometimes their plant members, they are the aquatic. Terrestrial means they are the found or grow on a soil or on a land, and in aquatic means they are the found or grow in or on water. Then habit, the plants are generally trees or shrubs. The climbing habitat is also found in this family, and some climbers are herbaceous, some are the shrubby as well as shrubby twinners. And the epiphytes are also occurs, for example Myrmecodia. Then certain species like Galliums, Rubia, Oldelandia, etc. are is a herbs. Then leaves. The leaves are the simple, opposite, decussate. Their margin is the entire margins as well as slightly toothed margins. They are decussate or rarely whorled. Then their stipules are crenate. Then inflorescence. Usually the inflorescence of cymose type of inflorescence, there are the, but in cymose types there are the different type of inflorescence are takes place in this family, like monocaseal cymes, dicaseal cymes, and the peduncles. Then monocaseal cymes, these are the snapshot of monocaseals, then dicaseals and the panicles. And in Coffea arabica, the flowers are found to be arranged in axillary cymes. Then flowers. The flowers are hermaphrodite. Usually they are the actinomorphic, and the number of flowers or the petals are tetramerous or pentamerous. Tetramerous means the 4 number of petals are present, and in pentamerous 5 petals are present. They are complete and epigynous, means position of ovary is the inferior. Sometimes the flowers are become unisexual. In rare case, the flowers are unisexual. Then calyx. The calyx consists of 5 or 4 sepals. Means again these sepals are the tetramerous or pentamerous. They are gamosepalous, means sepals are fused. Then one or rarely more sepals becomes leaf-like and white-yellow or variously in the color. Means the calyx are colorful, and the aestivation is the valvate aestivations. Valvate aestivations means they are the not fused or not overlapping. Then corolla. The corolla are also consist of 5 or 4 petals. They are again gamopetalous, means petals are fused, and the corolla is the tubular as well or the rotate, and the aestivations is the contorted or valvate. So these are the figure A, B and C. So in A there are the corolla. The corolla is the valvate aestivations, means they are the not overlapping, they are separated. Then in diagram C, there are the positions of ovary, means the ovary are the insides. The thalamus cup, means there are the inferior or epigynous. Then calyx, style, stigma, these are the style, stigma and ovary. Then androeciums. It consists of 5 or 4 stamens. The stamens are the epipetalous. Epipetalous means the stamens are attached to petals. Then means these stamens are attached to corolla tube or inserted the corolla tube. The stamens as well as the stamens are alternate with petals. Then gynoeciums. Usually the gynoeciums are consist of 2 carpel, means bicarpellary syncarpus. Syncarpus means again carpels are fused, and generally the position of ovary is the inferior. The ovary is the biloculars and parietal placentation. Then fruit. The fruit is the drupe, capsule or berry types, berry-like structures. They may be dry or fleshy. For example, in coffee and others, it is the capsule-like structures. Then seeds. Generally, the seeds are small, or sometimes they are the more. They are endospermic, and the flat cotyledons of embryo life face to face. And one more example, like a floral description of Ixora coccinea. Their habitat is the large cultivated ornamental plants. Their habitat is their shrubs. Then stems. Their stem is the erect, branched, solid, cylindrical, green in color, herbaceous, or sometimes they are the woody. Then leaves. The leaves are the cauline, simple. Then opposite, sessile, means stalks are absent. Then stipulate, means stipules are present. Their ovate structures. Their smooth entire, as well as they are the unicostate reticulate veneations. Their veneations is the reticulate veneations. Then inflorescence. There are the cymose or corymbose type of inflorescence. Then flowers. The flowers are bisexual. Then actinomorphic, pedicellate, means pedicels are present. Their bract as well as the bracteolate are present. Then they are the complete flowers, as well as the positions of ovary is the epigynous, and they are the tetramerous. Means in the Ixora plants, their petals or sepals are the 4. Then calyx. It is the four sepals. Gamosepalous means the sepals are fused. They are the superior and volvate aestivations. Superior means they are the above the ovary. Then volvate aestivations means they are the not alternate or not overlapping. Then corolla. There are four petals. They are gamopetalous. And this corolla or the stamens are attached to corolla tube. Then they are the twisted aestivations. Twisted aestivations means they are the alternate. Then androeciums. There are four stamens. Epipetalous means these petals are attached to stamens. They are inserted at the mouth of corolla. They are polyandrous means many stamens are present. They are sessile. Anthers are bicelled. Then gynoeciums. The gynoeciums are two carpel means bicarpellary. Syncarpels are fused. Ori are the inferior. Then fruit. It is the berry type of fruits are present. Then their floral formula as well as the floral diagram. Their floral formula is they are the bract. Then bisexual. Then calyx are four. They are fused. Corolla are four. They are again fused. And these androeciums means look at the observe this figure. There are total four sepals. Four sepals are present, and these aestivations of sepals is the volvate aestivations. Then in corolla or petals, total four petals are present, and their aestivation is the twisted aestivations, means they are the alternate to each other. Then androeciums. Androeciums are attached to petals. That's why this is called as the epipetalous. Means stamens are attached to petals. Then ovary ovary is the two. Means the bicarpellary. Syncarpus, they are the fused, and also bract are present. Their economic importance. In a cinchona officinus, the tree in the quinine and it is used for the malaria fevers, and it is the grown in the South India. Then these are the some economic important like a coffee. Arabica means common is the coffee, and there is a and these are the cultivated in Karnataka. Then these are again some coffee librarians. Then Ixora is the ornamental plants, means it is it is small shrubs grow in gardens. And again Ixora species there are again in ornamental plants. So these are the family of Rubiaceae, their systematic positions, their example, as well as floral formula and floral diagram. Okay, thank you.